Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Gmail display name on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up Gmail on your phone. Tap on the profile image button at the top right of the screen. If you don't already have a picture, the button will be the first letter of your name. Now select Manage your Google account and choose the account you want to change. Tap on the Personal Info tab. Tap on Name. Now tap on the pen button to edit your name. My name on Google has now been updated. It will take a couple of minutes for the changes to update on the Gmail app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.